High above the plains of Asia rises a site of incredible beauty and power: the Himalayas. These majestic mountains are not just a geographical feature, they are a symbol of nature's grandeur and resilience. This immense mountain range is home to the highest peaks on Earth, including the legendary Mount Everest, which stands as the ultimate challenge for climbers from around the world. Stretching for thousands of miles, the Himalayas are a land of snow-capped peaks, deep valleys, and rushing rivers. Each peak and valley tells a story of geological forces that have shaped this region over millions of years. They are a place of extremes, where the air is thin and the weather can change in an instant. This unpredictability adds to the mystique and challenge of these mountains. The Himalayas are not just mountains, they are a living, breathing ecosystem. Their diverse climates and elevations create unique habitats for countless species of plants and animals. From the lush forests at their base to the icy slopes of their summits, they are home to a remarkable diversity of life. This biodiversity is a testament to the adaptability and resilience of life in extreme conditions. People have lived in the shadow of these mountains for centuries, their cultures shaped by the challenges and rewards of this extraordinary environment. Their traditions and lifestyles are deeply intertwined with the rhythms of the mountains. The Himalayas are a vital source of water for much of Asia, their glaciers feeding rivers that support millions of people. These rivers are the lifeblood of vast agricultural regions and bustling cities. They stand as a testament to the awesome power of nature, a place of wonder and inspiration for all who visit them. The Himalayas continue to captivate and challenge us, reminding us of the beauty and power of our natural world. The Himalayas form a natural barrier across the northern edge of the Indian subcontinent, creating a formidable wall that has influenced the climate, culture, and history of the region for millennia. They stretch in a vast arc for over 1,500 miles, or 2,400 kilometers, from Afghanistan in the west to Myanmar in the east, encompassing a diverse range of ecosystems and landscapes. The range is home to countries like Nepal, Bhutan, and parts of India, Pakistan, and China, each with its own unique cultural and natural heritage. Within this immense system are numerous individual ranges, each with its own unique character and geological history, contributing to the overall majesty of the Himalayas. The Himalayas were formed by the collision of the Indian and Eurasian tectonic plates millions of years ago, a monumental event that continues to shape the region. This process continues today, pushing the mountains higher by a few millimeters each year, a testament to the dynamic nature of our planet. This ongoing geological activity also makes the region prone to earthquakes, some of which have been devastating in recent times, causing significant loss of life and property. The mountains themselves are constantly changing, shaped by the forces of erosion from wind, rain, and ice, which continually sculpt and redefine the landscape. Among the many peaks of the Himalayas, Mount Everest reigns supreme. Towering at a height of 29,031.7 feet or 8,848.86 meters, it is the highest point on Earth. The mountain was first summited in 1953 by Sir Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay, and it remains a coveted goal for climbers from around the world. Everest is just one of many iconic mountains in the Himalayas. There are 13 other peaks over 8,000 meters, or 26,247 feet, in the range, including K2, Kangchenjunga, and Lhotse. Each peak presents its own unique challenges to climbers, with treacherous slopes, unpredictable weather, and the ever-present danger of altitude sickness. Life in thin air. Despite the harsh conditions, the Himalayas support a surprising array of life. From the dense forests at lower elevations to the barren, icy peaks, this mountain range is a testament to nature's resilience. animals and plants have adapted to survive in the thin air, cold temperatures, and steep slopes. These adaptations are crucial for their survival in such an extreme environment. Lower elevations are cloaked in dense forests of rhododendrons, oaks, and pines. These forests provide a habitat for a variety of wildlife, creating a rich and diverse ecosystem. As you ascend, the vegetation changes to alpine meadows and scrubland, where only the hardiest plants can thrive. Eventually, the landscape gives way to bare rock and ice, a stark reminder of the harsh conditions at these altitudes. Among the most iconic animals of the Himalayas is the snow leopard. This elusive predator is a master of camouflage, blending seamlessly into the rocky terrain. This elusive cat is perfectly adapted to life in high altitudes, with thick fur, a long tail for balance, and powerful legs for leaping across the rugged landscape. With its thick fur, a long tail for balance, and powerful legs for leaping, the snow leopard is a marvel of evolution. Another remarkable creature is the Himalayan tahr, a wild goat that navigates the steep cliffs with incredible agility. Its sure-footedness is essential for survival in this rugged terrain. The Himalayan tahr's ability to navigate the steep cliffs with incredible agility is a testament to its adaptation to the harsh environment. These animals, along with many others, are threatened by habitat loss and poaching. The delicate balance of this ecosystem is at risk, making conservation efforts more crucial than ever. Highlighting the importance of conservation efforts in the region, it is essential to protect these unique species and their habitats for future generations. The people of the mountains. For centuries, people have lived in the shadow of the Himalayas, their cultures intertwined with the rhythms of nature. They have developed unique traditions, languages, and ways of life adapted to this challenging environment. From the Sherpa people of Nepal, known for their mountaineering skills, to the nomadic tribes of the Tibetan Plateau, the Himalayas are home to a rich tapestry of human cultures. One fascinating aspect of Himalayan culture is the belief in the Yeti, or abominable snowman. This mythical creature is said to inhabit the high peaks, and there have been numerous reported sightings over the years. While its existence remains unproven, the Yeti continues to capture the imagination and add to the mystique of the Himalayas. Section 6. The Water Tower of Asia. The Himalayas play a crucial role in the lives of billions of people across Asia. They are often called the Water Tower of Asia because they are the source of 10 of the largest rivers in the world, including the Ganges, Indus, and Brahmaputra. These rivers provide water for drinking, irrigation, and hydropower to a vast population downstream. The glaciers of the Himalayas act as giant reservoirs, storing water during the winter months and releasing it slowly throughout the year. However, climate change is having a profound impact on these glaciers, causing them to melt at an alarming rate. This has serious implications for water security in the region, potentially leading to water shortages and conflicts over resources in the future. Section 7. An Unforgettable Landscape. The Himalayas are more than just a mountain range. They are a place of awe-inspiring beauty and natural wonder. From the soaring peaks to the hidden valleys, they offer a glimpse into the raw power of nature and the resilience of life on Earth. Whether you are a seasoned mountaineer or an armchair traveler, the Himalayas are sure to leave a lasting impression. As we have explored, the Himalayas are a region of immense geographical significance, home to a rich tapestry of life and culture. They are also facing significant challenges, from climate change to habitat loss. It is our responsibility to protect this fragile ecosystem for future generations, ensuring that the majestic Himalayas continue to inspire and sustain life on our planet.